guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna create this look right here. So it's a foxy eye makeup look. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. But before starting this video, don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button, and beside the subscribe button there's a bell icon. So don't forget to hit on that bell icon as well, so that you'll always get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So now let's get started with the video. So I'm starting off with this Blue Heaven primer, and I'm just going to apply it all over my face. So I'm using this Savannah Colors eyeshadow palette. It's in the shade brown. So I'm just going to pick that dark brown and a dark grey shade, and I'm just going to fill in my brows with it. I'm just filling it like I normally do. And excuse my brows, it's like grown up so much I can't even thread because the salons and all are closed. So just bear with me. So I'm just going to fill it in. So next I'm using this Essence Make Me Brow Mascara. It's basically an eyebrow mascara, and I'm just going to set my brows in an upward direction, like I'm just flaking it up towards my hair length. So that's what I'm doing. So it helps in lifting your eyebrows up. So then next I'm using this Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation, and I'm just going to apply it like with a spatula. Just apply it all over my face first, and then I'm just going to blend it out with a sponge. Then for concealer, I'm using two concealers from the same brand. It's a Swiss Beauty liquid concealers. One is a bit dark and one is a bit light. So I'm going to mix the two. So I'm just going to apply it under my eyes, around my nose, also on my bridge of my nose. And then I'm just going to blend it out with a sponge. By the way, the sponge is from Puna store. You can get it on Amazon. And it's a very good concealer. As you can see, it provides like a medium to full coverage. So I really like this concealer. Then with the same concealer, I'm just going to clean my eyebrows, or like eyebrow area with it. And also my eyelid with it. And then just blending it out with a brush. Then I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and I'm just going to set my under eyes with it, and also my eyelid as well. Then I'm using the same Savannah Colors eyeshadow palette. I'm taking that light brown shade, and I'm taking in a like flat shader brush, but it's a little bit fluffy. So I'm just going to apply it on my outer corners. As you can see, in that direction I'm just going to apply it. So I'm basically just going to pick up the product and just flick it out like with a very light hand, just creating like a line. And also I'm just going to apply it on my upper lashes and also onto my lower lashes, so it looks all connected and blended together. Then I'm taking that dark brown shade from the same palette and taking a kind of same brush, but this time I'm picking up a little stiffer brush, and I'm just again doing the same thing, just flicking it outwards and again connecting it in my upper lashes and also onto my lower lashes. So yeah, basically you have to just create an eyeliner effect, and you have to just flick it out towards your tail of your brows, and then just connect it so that it looks all like blended together. So that's what I'm doing here. So then I'm picking up the same dark brown shade and I'm taking it on an angle brush. This is a smaller angular brush, and I'm just going to create like an eyeliner effect using the brown shade. So yeah, basically this just gives an illusion that your eyes are lifted and you have that foxy eye look. So that's basically it. And then I'm taking the same brush and just going to blend it out. Then I'm doing this inner corner thing. I don't know what this is called. So basically I'm just taking the same brown eyeshadow on a same angular brush and creating like an liner effect using a brown eyeshadow. Just apply it in my inner corners, as you can see. So do it as small as possible. I like it to be small, like a thin line. So that's what I am doing. And again I'm connecting it in my waterline and on my upper lashes, so it looks like all blended together. So this is how it looks with and without the eye makeup. And then I'm just going to curl my lashes with the eyelash curler, and for mascara I'm using Essence Lash Princess mascara. It's one of the best mascaras I have used. So I'm just applying this mascara onto my top lashes. So I'm just concentrating more onto my outer corners, like I want more product onto my outer corners, so that way it will give an illusion of foxy eye. And same I'm doing it for my lower lashes as well. Then for highlighter I'm using this Wet n Wild highlighter. This is in the shade Precious Petal, one of the best highlighters, and I'm just going to highlight my inner corners and my brow bone with it. And you can see this is how it looks like. My eyes are complete and I really like it. Back to the face, I'm using this Wet n Wild contouring palette. I'm taking that contour shade and I'm just going to contour my cheeks with it. Also I'm contouring my jawline with it to hide my double chin. Also contouring my nose because I have so fat nose, so I need to slim it down. So that's why I use this trick. So yeah. Then for blush I'm using this Savannah Colors blush palette and taking that to blush shade. It's a very beautiful blush. And I'm just going to apply it on my cheeks. Then for highlighter I'm using the same Wet n Wild highlighter. And I'm just going to apply it on my cheekbone, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, cupid's bow and chin. Then I'm using this Wet n Wild Color Icon lip liner. It's in the shade Chestnut, so I'm just going to line my lips with it. It's a brown lip liner. I really like this lip liner. Then for lipstick I'm using this Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream. It's in the shade number 14, again a light brown shade, and I'm just going to apply it all over my lips. And yeah, that's it with the video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you did like this video, then please hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos like this. And beside the subscribe button there's a bell icon, so don't forget to hit that bell icon as well, so that you'll always get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So that's it. Bye bye. See you in my next one.